Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 33. This is Section 2.1, Problem 33. It says, convert the improper fraction 21 over 8 to a mixed number, in other words, a number with a fraction. So to do this, what we need to do is divide. So we will divide the denominator, which is 8 for this problem, into the numerator, which is 21. So to do this division, first I'll try to do 8 divides into 2. The 2 is not big enough to fit in even a single 8. So I have to try and put the 8 into the whole thing, into the 21. 8 times 2 is 16. That'll fit. 8 times 3 is 24. That's a little too big. So it will be 2. So 2 times 8, as I said, was 16. 21 minus 16 will be 5. So my remainder becomes the new numerator, so that's 5. So I have 5 as a numerator. And the old denominator, which is 8 for this problem, stays the denominator for my mixed number. So I have 2 and 5/8. 2 and 5/8 is the same as 21 over 8.